Good morning, students. This is Rahul, sir, and we are going to study about the next topic, area of the circle. Okay, so we have a formula here for the area of a circle, that is pi r square. Okay, so we know the what is pi. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. R is our radius of the circle. We have another formula if we have been given the diameter of the circle, then we can apply another formula which I have written, pi d square upon 4. Okay, so we can apply this formula also when d is given, that is diameter of the circle has been given, then we can apply the another formula, pi d square upon 4. Now let's come to the exercise. So first question is, find the area of circles having the following radii. So our first question, in this radius is given, that is r equal to 21 centimeter. We have a formula a equal to pi r square. We will put the value and solve it and we will get the solution. Now let's come to the second question. In this question, find the diameter of circles having the following areas. In this case, the area has been already given and the diameter has been asked. So I have told you we have another formula, that is pi d square upon 4. So we will apply that here, that is a equal to pi d square upon 4. So 44 equal to, put the value of pi 22 upon 7 into d square upon 4. We will solve this. D square will be 44 into 7 into 4 upon 22, and d square will be 7056, and d will be, if you take the square root of 7056, we will get 84 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move to the third question. In this question, find the circumference of circles having the following area. We have to find out the circumference. Okay, the area has been given, so area is given 154 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the radius here. Okay, so a equal to pi r square. We will put the value, find the value of r square, that is 49, and r will be 7 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the circumference. So we know the formula for circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Put the value, 2 into 22 upon 7 into the circumference is radius is 7, so put the value also, and we will get the value, circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. Likewise, question number 4 is similar. Fifth one is, I am going to tell, a piece of wire 352 centimeter long is bent into the form of a circle. What is the diameter of the circle? So the length of the wire will be equal to circumference of the circle. So length of wire is 352 centimeter. So circumference of the circle, we have formula pi d. Put the value of pi, solve it, d will be 112 centimeter. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 7. This one is a quite tricky question. Please pay attention in this one. The question says, a circular lawn is a uniformly 7 meters wide and its inner edge is 440 meters. Calculate the radius of the inner circle and the area of the lawn. So inner circumference has been given 440 meter. Lawn width is given 7 meter. So inner circumference will be 2 pi r formula, and the value is given 440. We will solve this and we will find the value of radius is equal to 70 meter. So this will be our inner radius of the inner circle. Okay. Now listen, if thickness of the lawn is given 7 meter and inner radius is 70 meter, so obviously the radius of the outer circle will be 70 plus 7 meter, that is 77 meter. Now I have written radius of inner circle is 70 meter, that is ri. I have denoted radius of inner circle, that is ri, outer circle ro. Now area of the lawn will be area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. So put the formula pi ro square minus pi ri square. Take pi common, ro square minus ri square. 22 upon 7, ro is equal to 77, 77 square minus 70 square. We will solve this. Area of the lawn will be 3234 centimeter square. Let's move to the question number 9. A rectangular hall has semicircular walls on its two sides as shown. If the dimension of the rectangular portion are 12 meters and 7 meters, calculate the area covered by the hall. This diagram has been given. In this, in middle there is a rectangle and both the sides it has two semicircles. So length of the rectangle 12 meter, width of the rectangle is equal to 7 meter. Diameter of semicircle will be width of the rectangle. Okay, diameter of semicircle will be equal to width of rectangle. So d will be 7. Now we know that radius equal to d by 2. Okay, so r will be 7 by 2, that is 3.5 meter. So radius area of semicircle will be area of circle by 2. So pi r square by 2, put the values 22 upon 7 into 3.5 square upon 2. Solve this, we will get 19.25 meter square. Area of two semicircles, we have already found out the area of one semicircle, then we can find out the area of the second semicircle, that will be 2 into 19.25, multiply this 38.5. So area of rectangle will be L into B, 12 into 7, that is 84 meter square. Now area of hall will be area of two semicircles plus area of rectangle. Area of two semicircles is 38.5, we have already found that, and area of rectangle we also solved that, that is 84. We will add these to 122.5 meter square. Now rest the questions are similar to these questions, we can solve these questions. Now let's move to the question number 15. A circular lid of radius 14 cm has 4 circular holes of diameter 1.4 cm each. Find the area of remaining portion of lid. The diagram I had made here, there is a big lid of circular shape and it has 4 holes in it, okay, of diameter 1.4 cm. Now radius of lid is equal to 14 cm, that is RL. Radius of holes is 1.4 cm RH. So radius the area of lid equal to pi RL square, that is 22 upon 7 into 14 square, that is 616 centimeter square. Area of hole will be pi d square upon 4, because here radius is not given, here diameter is given, so we will apply diameter formula, pi d square upon 4, 22 upon 7 into 1.4 upon 4 in whole square, that is 1.54 centimeter square. So area of remaining portion will be area of lid minus 4 into area of hole. So 616 minus 4 into 1.54, we will solve that, we will get 609.84 centimeter square. So this is how you solve this all the questions. Thank you.